Okay, y'all, so now that everything is pretty much done for the most part, got my lashes, my nails, and brows looking good, all that, I'm going to go ahead and apply this new wig. So I already got my hair slicked back into a bun. I'm going to slick it a little bit neater. And this is the wig I'm about to get ready to do. Yes, it is a Sensei. And this one is called Glenna, and I got it in that color. So we about to open this bad boy up and see what she's talking about. It's similar to the one that I had before, which was the Zelina, I think it was called. And I really love that one and the color that I got it in. I think I'm going to repurchase it again because I really love that wig. I want to get it in the same color and some more colors as well, but this time I wanted to go with a little bit darker color, kind of closer to my natural color. So I wanted to try this color out and this style, so we're gonna see what it's giving. So this is her straight out of the box. Has the cute little bounce to it. This is the lace, what it's giving. Got the little baby hairs. Okay, the color is nice. Got the little highlights going on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, cut the lace, tint it just a little bit. You really don't have to, but I'm going to, do what I do. Put the wig on, and then I will be back to show y'all the finished product. Okay, so this is the wig after playing with it for just a little bit. As you can see, I haven't glued it down just yet because I'm still trying to figure it out, honestly. Honestly, I really loved the last wig way better because fresh out the pack, the last wig was a definitely yes. This one, I'm going to have to do some playing around with it. I love the color, but it's just too much going on up here. So I'm going to have to tweak it and see what I can do with it. Because right now, no. It's giving Dream Girls or something. But we're going to wait and we're going to make it work. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm not generally a middle part girl. I love me a side part. But some said just try to part it down the middle and see what it's giving. And honey, now it's giving. Okay, but now I think I just need to go in and add some more layers to the front to kind of frame my face more. And I think we'll be in the game once I do that. So let's try that out and then we'll be back.
My bad bitches pretty than a motherfucker. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm bitch okay. Down south bad bitches screech shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, solid in a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas.